Okay guys, so nasa final round tayo ng Pinoy Forged in Fire. Season 2. So bali yung challenge natin sa final round is yung Apayao Aliwa. So just a catch. Kapag sinabi po nating aliwa, kapag nasa Apayao tayo, hindi actually pala yung alam natin na aliwa axe, na ganito yung profile. Yung aliwa pala is a general term, generic used to call a bolo, buneng gayam. Yan, so pag nasa Apayao ka, pairam ng aliwa mo, sasabihin mo sa tao doon, bulo ang ibibigay sa'yo. Pero we have joined the industry knowing that this profile is an aliwa, which is of course true, and it represents the province of Apayao in the blade industry. Pero usually yung tawag pala ng iba dito is sinawit. Pero technicalities, yan po yun. We have given the challenge to recreate this aliwa. Ito po, maliit lang ito. Pero tignan natin yung distinct feature niya. Tignan niyo po yung tip niya. Medyo nag-curve siya pababa. Tapos yung sawit, yan yung isang tinatawag nilang sawit. Tapos yung spike niya sa likod is not actually sharpened, it's not actually that pointed. And makikita niyo yung cutting edge niya, hindi siya ganun 90 degrees. Okay, so pag nilapag natin, we will observe that it is slightly bent. It is just to facilitate yung striking natin pag ginagamit natin as utility. And another catch is yung aliwa natin. Kapag mas mahaba yung handle kaysa sa blade, it is intended for utility use. Pero pag mahaba yung blade kaysa sa handle, which is yun yung pinagawa natin sa ating final round, is for combat ready. Yan, so there you are guys. That is our aliwa from Apayao. Sana hindi makalimutan yung profile na to, though may mga dalawang blade houses sa Apayao preserving this. May we remember it in our modern times. Shout out sa Master Duff Project. Yung mga blade niya inspired by aliwa. So ito, galing ito sa kanya. It's a gift. Yan, so matalas siya. Okay, so presenting to you guys the Apayao Aliwa, and here's the cutting test for our final round. Ito yung bottle ng entry number 1. Ito yung number 2. Ito yung number 3. So, sa banana, ito yung cut nila. Cut 1 to 3 po yan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakibahagi. Shout out, Christian Regalario, Conan Huganakis Kumpipis, Demin Jones, Tundon Artabao. God bless us all.